Hey everyone, I have a question. What do you get when you mix Tex-Mex with Japanese food? You get a tasty dish called taco rice. I first learned about this when I moved to Japan back in 2005, and it's been one of my favorite dishes since. It was created in Okinawa, Japan back in the early 80s when tacos or anything Mexican or Tex-Mex was hard to find, and it was needed to satisfy the cravings for such food for the US military stationed there. It was really popular and in time spread across the rest of Japan. It's an awesome fusion dish that brings together Tex-Mex and a Japanese rice bowl. So all that Tex-Mex taco goodness piled onto a bed of rice. Savory rice, seasoned with various spices, which can be served up with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, salsa, crunchy tortilla chips, as well as sour cream and guacamole. These days you can find taco rice all over Japan, and you might even spot it on menus like Taco Bell, TGI Fridays, but it's super easy to make at home. On the screen, you'll see what you need. Take a screenshot, and for all the details, you can find it in the description of the video. First, we'll cook up the taco meat on medium heat. Put it in a frying pan or pot, and cook up ground beef with the seasonings. Once that's somewhat browned, add the tomatoes and the diced onions. And cook that up, mix that up and cook it. And let that cook on low for about 10 minutes. Until everything seems pretty well blended. Turn off the heat, prepare a plate or a bowl of the cooked rice, and put the taco meat on top. Then load the shredded lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and salsa and chips or anything else that you want to add to your taco rice. Then dig in. Tex-Mex, Japanese style. If you love Tex-Mex food, give taco rice a shot, and let me know what you think below in the comments. It may not replace tacos, but it can be pretty tasty, and you can add whatever you want to make it your own. If you got a kick out of this video, hit that like button. And for more tasty food adventures, recipes, and food hacks, hit that subscribe button as well, and the notification button to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you all soon.